Today, we're here at the most affordable new construction community in Lake Las Vegas. We are here at Verona by Taylor Morrison. Now behind me, we have a house that offers dual primary bedrooms, so don't go anywhere. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Bella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking to move, buy, or sell here in Las Vegas, do me a huge favor, guys. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. All right, so today is March 7, 2025, and today we are here at Verona by Taylor Morrison here in Lake Las Vegas. Now, if you guys are unfamiliar with Lake Las Vegas is about 30 to 35 minutes east of Las Vegas Airport and the Strip. Beautiful master plan community. It's like your own personal oasis away from Las Vegas. They do have a clubhouse out here. They do have like golf. There's plenty of walking trails and more amenities that I can't think of at this very moment, okay? With this community, I will have the floor plans on the screen for you. So they offer about, let me see here. So they offer 5 different floor plans here, okay? All of these homes are gonna be 2-story homes ranging between 2,200 square feet all the way up to 23 square feet, okay? Now, I'll also have the base prices on the screen for you as well. But just so you know, whenever you look at the base price, just know that the lot premiums and upgrades are not included, okay? So if you want to calculate your total, you'd have to add the lot premiums and upgrades. Just on average, right, lot premiums are going for about $0 to $30,000. Upgrades, well, based on the specs, they're putting anywhere between about like $60,000 to $90,000 in upgrades, okay? Now, as far as what they're doing here in this community, you do have the option as a buyer. If you want to build from ground up, you can definitely do that as well, okay? So that means you could pick out your elevation, all your options, and you go through that process, which is typically about 5 to like 7 months. Or you could go with a quick move-in or a spec home. Typically, you're gonna get the best deal with these ones. That just means the builder picked out all the options and they're either ready in a few months or they're ready right now. If they're ready right now, more wiggle room, guys. The HOA, so it's $153 a month. That's for the Lake Las Vegas HOA. That's for the master plan community. Now, for the Verona specific HOA, it's about $109 a month, okay? Average lots are gonna be between 4,000 to 6,000. Okay, so some of the lots here kind of differ, okay? That's about it. So let's get started with the tour. All right, welcome to the Maple floor plan. Now the Maple floor plan is going to be 2,262 square feet up to 2,521 square feet with 3 to 5 bedrooms, 3.5 to 4.5 bath, 2-story, 2-car garage. And the base price as of today is $504,900, okay? Now, if you build from ground up, you're looking about, I want to say out the door, mid to high 500s, okay? And then also, again, if you want to build from ground up, you could definitely choose your elevation. Now, the elevation is going to be how your exterior looks. So some exteriors are going to have brick on the outside, which will be a little bit more. I think they also do have like a quick move-in ready home that's priced at $565. Now, again, if you are looking for the best deal, go with move-in ready homes, in my opinion, or quick move-ins. But yeah, paver driveways always included, desert landscaping. But yeah, if you guys are interested in new construction communities, definitely give me a call. You definitely want to make sure you work with an agent that's very familiar with new construction communities, but also who has relationships with all the builder agents. Because in many situations, since I already know a lot of the builder agents, you know, we always try our best to make sure you guys get the best deal possible. So, you know, give me a call. Okay, so welcome in, guys. So this is what you see as soon as you walk in, right? Really high ceilings. You have your stairs to the second floor. You'll have like your kitchen, dining room, living room, and that's going to be your primary bedroom down there. And then over here, you're going to have a bedroom at the end of the hall. Okay, so we'll start out over there. This is going to be the door to your garage. Oh, here, I'll show you this too. So these are the upgrades done in this model. So upstairs, they upgraded. Instead of one of the bedrooms, you're gonna have the game room. And then also upstairs, you do have your primary suite. Okay. And then here, you could pause it here if you wanna. These are all the upgrades that they did to this house. So if you wanna pause that, you can do that later. Check it out later. Okay, so you're always gonna get 9-foot ceilings on the first floor here. So this is gonna be bedroom number 1. Looks like they made this a nice little office space. This is gonna face the front of the house. Okay. Nice, they got a, looks like they're doing a sneaker theme for this room. Okay, that's transfer grills, helps regulate the airflow. Now every room is going to have this. It's a smoke detector, and outside you're going to have a smoke CO2 detector. Okay. Now right over here, looks like we have the powder room. And then also you'll have your laundry room downstairs. Okay, which is great for the if you're staying in the primary bedroom downstairs. See, you also have your like linen closet right over here. Got your smart panel box in here. The flooring is upgraded. Not many buyers stick with standard flooring. If you stick with standard flooring, you're pretty much gonna have carpet all throughout the house, except for the wet areas. You'll have like an 18 by 18 ceramic tile, so that'd be the kitchen, laundry room, bathroom. But usually anytime they spec homes, they're gonna put hard flooring all throughout the first floor besides the bedrooms. But even if you build from ground up, I'm sure probably do the same. Okay, so welcome to the kitchen. Okay, so we got the upgraded 42-inch cabinets. Okay, this is gonna be your pantry. Now the refrigerator, washer, and dryer is not included. Okay, but you will get the, oh, I believe this is an upgrade package, this type of, the built-in kitchen stovetop. Otherwise, I think you'd have like the oven, stovetop. Okay, also upgraded countertop material right here. Upgraded undermount single basin sink with this matte black faucet. Dishwashers included. And then I think what's standard is you'd have the microwave oven. Okay, so yeah, this is a different kitchen package here. Also, if you wanted backsplash, that is optional as well. Okay, nice size living room. Optional. Okay, this slider is optional right here. Now, as soon as you move in, you're gonna have a dirt. Your backyard is gonna be completely dirt. They do landscape the front yard. Okay, that's automatic. But when you move in, you just have to landscape your backyard. HOA wants to see it landscaped about 6 months to a year, I believe. So that's your timeline. Okay. So it looks like we got the condensers over there. And then you're gonna have the gate on this side. Cool. All right. Okay, so welcome to the primary bedroom. Okay, ooh, got some nice shower over there. So this is a king size bed. Right now, if you're curious to know the dimensions of like the rooms, you know, just reach out to me, shoot me a text. I will, I can answer like any of your questions. Wow, okay. Take a look at this. Large walk-in shower. All right, then you also have your dual sinks. Okay, powder room. And your walk-in closet. Yeah, so I've worked with plenty of buyers, and you know, a lot of buyers will like prefer, some buyers may prefer single story, but you know, the only time some buyers are interested in 2 stories is if the primary bedroom is downstairs. So this option is, you know, definitely something for them to consider. Okay, so we'll head up to the 2nd floor. Okay. We got the fully upgraded railings over there. If you don't upgrade that, you're gonna have a pony wall. I'm guessing most of the spec homes though, they're either gonna have, I don't think they're gonna have pony walls. I think they're gonna have like the white style mission railings. Okay, so this is the upgraded game room. Now, this could be up to 5 bedrooms, right? So actually, you could turn this into a bedroom, and then I believe you could turn that loft into a bedroom if needed. Now guys, if you're watching these videos and you're very tempted to go to a new construction community for your very first time, do me a huge favor, give me a call, shoot me a text. I would be honored to go with you on your very first visit. But if you're working with a realtor, that's okay too. Just make sure they go with you on your very first visit. Don't go by yourself, guys, because the second you go by yourself, the builder agent's gonna ask for your name, phone number, and email, or they might make you fill out a form. Once you fill that form out, then it'll be very hard for you to get representation afterwards with a realtor. And the only difference is the builder agents look after the builder's best interest, but we look after your best interest. So, you know, definitely make sure you get yourself some representation. Okay, nice little loft right here. Again, I think you have the option to turn this into a bedroom. If you ask me though, I mean, I do like the loft. I think lofts definitely add more space to the 2nd floor, you know, more breathing room. Okay, so this is going to be the secondary secondary suite. So we'll end with that. We'll check out this bedroom first. Okay. Oh, it's a pretty good sized room as well. This might be like 11 by 12. Okay, got your standard closet. Now remember, when you're in these rooms and you see these lights in the bedrooms, just so you know, standard, you won't have any of these lights or this pre-wire to the ceiling fan. Okay, what I noticed most buyers will do, just to add some type of light, is they'll just add that, because then you could hook up a ceiling fan plus a light. If you want these other cam lights, yeah, I mean, you have to pay more. Okay, also looks like you have your attic access up there. That's going to be a smoke/CO2 detector. Always going to be in the hallways, and you're always just going to have regular smoke detectors in the bedrooms. Okay, here's your shower tub combo, fiberglass. You have your single sink with your toilet. Okay, this is your second suite here. All right, so we got the shower tub. Again, I believe there's other bathroom configurations, but you know, again, reach out to me I'll give you the answers, like what type of configurations. Obviously, I think there's like the walk-in shower spa, right? The larger walk-in shower. Okay, so we got your walk-in closet. Okay, cool guys, that wraps it up for the Maple. Again, if you have any questions or if you're looking for the best deal on new construction homes, guys, give me a call. Again, I'm very familiar with new construction communities, and I have a great relationship with a lot of the builders. So, but yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.